Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep class. Dear students, today we are going to learn capital and small letters and their vocabulary words. पेज नंबर 2 पर देखिए कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. सो लेट्स से द लेटर, लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड pronounce the words together. A, aunt. Say it with me. A for aunt. Aunt means chunti. Repeat after me. A for aunt. B for banana. Banana means kela. Let's say again. B, banana. C for cap. C for cap. Let's say again. C, cap. D for dog. D for dog. Dog means kutta. Let's repeat. D, dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. Say it with me. E, elephant. Very nice student. Next देखिए. F for frog. F for frog. Frog means mendak. F, frog. G for grapes. Grapes mean angur. Say it with me again. G, grapes. H for hat. H for hat. Say with me. H, hat. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. Say it with me. I for ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. Repeat with me. J, jug. A for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. Lemon means limo. Lemon means limo. Say it with me. L, lemon. M for mango. Mango means Repeat it with me. M, mango. N for nest. N for nest. Nest means ghonsla. Say it with me. And nest. O for orange. Orange means Malta. And very yummy Malta. Say it with me. O, orange.